we are taking the rhymes, what is the way we are teaching to them for phonics also, for numbers also, and for the swar. Because in nursery they have to introduce only swars. After in junior and senior they have the vyanjans also and the wordings also. So basically most of the schools are not included the Hindi in nursery, but we are as their capacity is too much high. Everyone knows that the grasping power of our kids is also high. So whatever we give it to them now, they are grasping it fastly. So in this early pre-primary age, we should give them whatever we can give to them. They adapt that things also. So we are here included some basic rhymes which are
we are taking in our regular classes.
Yes.
And as per our theme is going on, so we are taking the rhymes as per the theme, as per the celebration, as per the day's color celebration. So according to that we are taking the rhymes and stories or different activities we are taking. So that we are going today to tell you.
Basically we ask our kids, basically we in classes we ask our kids which rhyme you like most. So we shortlist some rhymes there and then that rhymes are included here. So these all rhymes are based on the themes, whatever teacher says that, but these rhymes are loved by children. That is the main point. Okay. So in this session we are teaching you whatever we are teaching to our kids, how we do actions, how we pronounce the particular sound here. So you can cross check that with your child. Some of the parents told us that my child is not saying anything at home. But basically in classes, they are doing each and everything. They are murmuring, not saying fluently, but murmuring the things also. And that is important for us. They are doing actions also.
Yes.
In small age, we are doing nothing.
Yes.
If in our age, that in our age, we are doing nothing. We are at home. But they are doing actions. They are reciting all the rhymes. They are know all phonic sounds also.
Yes.
And
they are
actions
more
also.
active than us.
Yes.
50% more active than us.
So we thought that the e-junior preschool gave us a very good opportunity to teach the parents also.
Yes. And we are lucky parents to have these sessions.
Because for our children, whatever things we are doing for our children, that's are not enough every time. Okay, we have to do more and more for their progress. So for their development, for their progress, this session is here. And as you thought that why rhymes are included in the syllabus of pre-primary section. Anyone else?
Anyone knows that why we are teaching rhymes?
What is the
इसको ये बता
importance
सकता
of?
है कि राइम का क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है? कोई भी पेरेंट्स जिनको पता है
Because
कुछ भी जो भी आपके माइंड्स में आता है वो बता सकते हैं.
In primary section, lots of the things are depends on rhyme. Okay, but after first standard, second standard, the rhyme session is not there. In their books, there are randomly 8 to 10 rhymes in whole year. In whole years, okay, that are based on poems. Hindi, Kavita, Marathi, whatever we are taking the subjects that are there. But in preschool, rhyme section is too much important. Anyone else? Why it is so?
क्योंकि राइम से पता चलता है बच्चों को कि कैसे मतलब गाने से उनको अच्छा समझता है सब कुछ कि ऐसे ऐसे है.
हाँ, actually rhymes increases their imagination power. They can recognize and they can in rhyming words they can learn anything.
Yes, I
Anything
want
they
more
can learn.
interactive session because you will not get bored. So everyone,
You should also interact.
anyone have the query, they can raise their hands just like our kids. Otherwise,
teacher, like that you can say.
So anyone else, why rhymes are too much important? You are far nearer to that actually answer.
म्हणजे राईम्समध्ये मेमरी खूप त्यांची हे असते. राईम्समध्ये वर्ड्स ते लवकर रिकवर करतात. म्हणजे जसं एखादं सॉन्ग असेल म्हणजे खूप लवकर ग्रास्प करतात ते. म्युझिक जे असते साऊंडमध्ये ते लवकर ग्रास्प करतात. ॲज आपण त्यांना असं काय सांगितलं सेंटेन्समध्ये तर ते तेवढ्याने ग्रास्प करत नाही जेवढ्याने ते म्युझिकमध्ये ग्रास्प करतात तसं वाटतं.
Okay, so my basic answer is that while sleeping, our kids is only 1 month, not 1 month, single 1 day baby. We are singing a song while sleeping.
Yes.
Lori, that is Lori. Okay, so reason behind that, from that day also they have a habit of listening some music. Okay, I don't.
Actually, their subconscious mind is still alive, and
Yes.
that mind is listening each and everything, whatever we are saying, whatever good thing we are saying, whatever bad thing we are saying. Actually, we have to say always positive thing, not negative thing while sleeping, because they are each and everything they are grasping. While those they are sleeping, but still they are listening each and everything. Their subconscious mind is continuously listening each and everything. So we should tell them positive things, like Lori we are telling to our newborn babies, and for our like toddlers we are saying their stories, or we are saying rhymes or different things. We are asking what happened till days, वो मतलब फुल डे में क्या क्या आपके साथ हुआ, वो सारी चीज़ें भी हम उनसे पूछते हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें उनको डेवलप करने में बहुत हेल्पफुल है.
And one more thing add on to this, the music is nowadays healing any disease. Also, music therapy is used. So music basically in rhythm, whatever you are saying, the rhythm is just like going on now, and you are saying the same sentence in rhythm. The students capture that thing very fastly. So that is the thing why rhymes are focused in preschool basically. So whatever the session here, your kids are coming here for 2.5 years. So in this 2.5 years, 1 hour, we are taking rhymes. For 1 hour, continuously we are taking rhymes. So that is the thing why we focus on rhyme too much. Okay. So in this session we are just basically teaching you the rhymes. Ishwari, you can go with Maushi. Go. You are not allowed, but it's okay. Okay. So moving towards the next ये better बोलेंगे. So whatever we are implementing this session, what is the implementation of this session? Basically, whatever things you have learned here, you have to apply at your home. How we apply them? You have to tell them bedtime stories. Okay, bedtime rhymes also, whatever you teach here. Okay, and also you have to ask your kids daily at night in bedtime whatever things you have done in whole day. The routine of your child you have to ask. So this habit makes them more talkative, more confident, and their cognitive skills also develop in this way also.
And they will get idea that okay, mama is asking every night, so I have to be focused that what teacher is teaching us and what teacher is saying. Whatever things happen in class, they will focus on that, because if you won't ask, they will forget. If you continuously daily, if you are asking na, so they will get to know, okay, no, I have to focus, I have to tell mama, because if she asks what I will say. So जब वो पूछेंगी तो मैं क्या बताऊँगी, तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए, मुझे सुनना है सब टीचर क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या कह रहे हैं, क्या दिखाया उनको. So they will learn and they will tell you definitely.
Yes. So moving towards the next, shall we start our rhymes?
Yes.
Does anyone want to drink water?
No.
No. Please silent your mobile phones. Okay. Yes.
So shall we start this?
So everyone ready?
Yes.
Hope you enjoyed the session. Let us see now. After the session, you give your reviews.
And feedback.
Yes.
Positive as well as negative
Negative
feedback.
as
What feedback you can
Whatever
give us.
feedback you have
Yes.
to give to
Because
us.
we want your opinion.
Because
Whatever
this
it is.
session, I think from lockdown we are not conducting this session. Before lockdown we have conducted this session for the nursery classes and playgroup classes also. But after lockdown, this is the first session. So whatever the
first
things
batch.
have changed, because pandemic effect is too much
Yes.
on each and every person. So whatever the effect is there now. So this session, how it you feel after this session, you just give us your reviews. So we will continue with one rhyme. Naina teacher and me telling one rhyme randomly. You have to do actions with teachers.
Yes.
Okay.
And if you won't understand any words or you want to repeat, you can ask us.
You can
You can tell us to
Okay.
repeat this time.
Yes.
Okay. So be
And-
ready
And
and
do
leave your
like,
hands.
just do
and
like
just-
your
yes,
kids.
yes.
Don't be hesitate. We
Yes.
all kids here.
Yes.
We are daily feeling like a
While
kids.
teaching also, we are
Okay.
not feeling like we are teacher, we are kids. We
Yes.
are saying in that manner only.
Yes.
So you should also leave your bag aside, keep your bag aside, keep your phone aside, and start
You
like
can
how
ask
they
your
are telling.
children also at home how your teachers are behaving. They are copying us just like us. Okay, whatever we are behaving
If
now,
we are doing
they
like this,
copying
they are
us.
saying, they are doing like this. Sometimes we have to say, अरे पापा ये आपके लाइन में नहीं है, ये आपको करना नहीं है. फिर भी वो अगर हम कुछ भी बोलेंगे, whatever we are saying some kids stand up. Another kids are saying same thing. Stand up, sit down. So they are copying us like anything. No one can copy more better than them.
And I just want to ask whether English is comfortable to everyone.
Yes.
English and
Yes.
Hindi means
Yes.
Marathi is not necessary, na?
Means if you want to like अगर कोई चीज़ हमें समझानी है, अगर आपको लगता है कि आप उसको एक बार हिंदी में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए या मराठी में कन्वर्ट कर लीजिए तो we can. Okay. So there is no barrier for language. You can anytime ask us. Okay. So shall we start the session?
Yes.
So
I
yes.
can't hear. No energy. Feeling fresh, na?
Yes.
Have your breakfast?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
So shall we start the session?
One
Okay.
thing is that have you complete your sleep now? No one get bored. So yes, we will try to
Entertain you
entertain
or
all the
not get
session.
bored.
Okay.
So we will do
tried
our best.
But if anyone says that teacher I am get boring, we will do another thing. Okay.
Yes. So today's our first rhyme is teacher teacher. This rhyme is basically what tell us. This rhyme is basically tell the boy or girl difference. Like while this rhyme we are teaching them that what is rhyme. Like through this rhyme we are teaching them that who is boy and who is girl. So they get idea that okay, she's the girl, she's a boy. Before this taking this rhyme, we are telling them different. We are showing them flashcard of girl or boy. Like that, we are telling them also ki who is girl, who in our class who is the having long hair. Tell me who is having short hair. Tell me. So they get no. Okay, you are a long hair, na? Actually, nowadays girls are having only short hair, so they may get confused and. Both girls and boys both are wearing earrings. So sometimes they get confused. Okay, we are also wearing earrings. So who is the girl, who is the boy? So sometimes we have to tell them in different manners so that this is the girl or this is the boy. So today's first rhyme is teacher teacher. So I'll tell you the first one. Teacher, teacher, look at me. I'm a girl, pretty and sweet. Teacher, teacher, look at me. I'm a boy, neat and clean. You should do the action with me also, like your child do. So you should do. And
If anyone is not doing action now, we
will give the punishment. Because whenever we are saying anything, they are okay. Teacher is saying okay. They are doing like this also. They are whatever they get, they are doing. So you have to do. Just I will repeat the rhyme once more.
Students, if someone is wondering here and there and
Also, you listen this rhyme from. Hope you will listen this rhyme
whenever
from.
we say Sarvajna, Sarvajna saying yes, doing action, that's the way. Okay, so everyone have to do actions with us. Okay, you will enjoy the session.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will
You
get
will get bored. Yeah, definitely.
So for the
That's
next
right.
time, I request all of you, please stand up.
So this thing will go on. So you have to be prepared. That's why I said keep your
Those who
bags
are
aside.
backward, you can come first. For 2 to 3 rhymes, you have to come. You have to stand up. Otherwise, you have to be seated.
Yes.
Okay. So this is the action rhyme basically. How actions are important. In the pre-age, whenever your mama is scolding, the child realize that my mama is scolding with expression only and with
Yes.
actions only. So if you are pampering your child realize that my mama is pampering me. Okay, all are expressed by actions only. So actions rhyme in every school. In every school is taking actions rhyme. So we are here. There are so many actions rhyme we are taking. But apart from that, our child's favorite rhyme is clap your hands. That is it. We are taking here. So everyone do the action with me. Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. Turn around. Turn around. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. Turn around. Turn around. Jump up high. Jump up high. Listen to the music. Listen to the music. Jump up high. Jump up high. Now feel like a kid? Yes.
I think now everyone is feeling like a kid.
Now moving to the next rhyme, that is
Teddy bear rhyme. So for that also, I think most of them know teddy bear rhyme, right? So this rhyme we are taking because we teach them that before going to school, what you have to prepare for that. So this rhyme is for school rhyme. So that's why we are taking this rhyme. So you have to put your hands on your waist and just be like a teddy bear. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school. Yes.
now you can be
At least 1 hour.
Okay, at least 1 hour.
They're
daily.
sitting, standing, they're roaming, they're jumping, they're running, they're hopping, they are doing everything.
Okay, so moving towards the next rhyme. Basically, our school is focusing on all 3 languages. English is also important. Hindi is also important. Similarly, we are also focusing on Marathi language. That is our mother tongue. So we should not forget that one. So we are including that Marathi rhymes also here. We are talking with while instructing our kids. We are giving instructions in English. If they don't understand, we are converting in Hindi also. But in between, whenever they need support or some pampering style, we have to speak Marathi. Okay, so all they should feel school like a home. So whenever we speak Marathi, most of the parents ask us while taking admissions, which language you are teaching here, in which language you are communicating with child. So as though English, Hindi is important. That in early age, in playgroup and nursery, the kids should have their mother touch, family touch here also. So we are including Marathi language also here. Okay, so we are taking some Marathi rhymes also. So apart from that, their favorite one, everyone like idli, so everyone knows idli's rhyme. Yes. So whenever we are saying now which rhyme you want to say, idli. That's the that is the favorite rhyme of most of them, and maybe they may become hungry now. They are telling idli rhyme. So this is the idli rhyme we are taking here. So everyone do the action with me. Here expression is more important rather than the action. So we are doing we should be expressive here. Let's start. एक होती इडली, ती होती चिडली, धावत धावत आली, सांबार मध्ये बुडाली. सांबार होत गरम, इडली झाली नरम. चमचा आला खुशीत, जाऊन बसला बशीत. चमच्याने पाहिले इकडे तिकडे, इडलीचे केले तुकडे तुकडे. इडली झाली होती मस्त, आम्ही मुलांनी केली फस्त. Okay, they should realize that आमची इडली खाई है.
What are the each words meaning? Expression के through they can know better.
And they should be expressive in such small rhymes.
Yes.
Everyone have to express each and every mood. Angriness is also important. Similarly, others, happiness is also important. Confusion is also important. Everyone have to express each and every mood. Okay, whatever expression, emotions they have now, they have to express that things. That is the motto behind small rhymes. We are just murmuring the rhymes, but we don't know what is the motto of that, what is the motto of behind that rhyme. So in this session we try to tell you why we are taking these rhymes here.
Yes.
Okay. Yes.
And while they are coming, we are asking, how is your mood? Suppose each and everyone is okay, but some child is feeling sad or they are not feeling energetic. So we will ask them, so how was your mood? See here, how was your mood? Teacher, I am happy. Who is happy? Who can definitely say I am happy, I am excited? No. If someone is not feeling good, so we will ask them what happened. Teacher, not feeling good. Okay, it's okay. So we will ask them so that they can understand. Okay, एक्सप्रेशन के थ्रू हम बता सकते हैं कि हम खुश हैं, सैड हैं, या एंग्री हैं, या कुछ भी जो भी उनका मूड हो हमें पता चलता है इजीली.
Based on this, I suggest all the parents, please don't be try to become your children always happy.
Yes.
Let them cry sometimes also.
It's
Okay,
necessary.
it's necessary. That is the important part of each and everyone's life. We are also cried for so many times na, in our early age. So why our child should not cry? I have to suggest every parents that let them cry.
Actually, it develops patience. If any child asks, I want this, if immediately we will give, they don't have patience. And from today's child, they don't have patience at all. If they want, teacher, I want this, means they want. If we say no, they start crying, they do tantrums. So this thing should not come to them, because today's generation is much change. Like ours, they are not like us. Like we are understanding the things whatever our parents are saying, but our children are not at all. Their generation gap is very much. So we should treat them like how we are treated by our parents. So we should treat them like that also. So moving toward the next rhyme, and the next rhyme is finger rhyme. That rhyme is also very much